Hi, my name is Daniel and I will tell you more about how I built a drone. Okay, basically what is a drone? A drone is a flying quadcopter or an aeroplane that is controlled remotely or autonomously. Okay, so what are the key points about a drone? Okay, according to my research, I had to know about propellers and motors. So this is a 1045 propeller. So a 1045 propeller is a 10-inch propeller, and then the pitch, this is the pitch is 45 degrees. Okay, as well the drone power. Okay, the kVs tell you about how big is your drone and how much power it can hold. Okay, so this one specifically has the information that I need as a beginner of drones. Okay, so it's written here it uses 3S battery, and then it uses 1045 propellers as well. So this goes together perfectly well. So you better stay tuned to see more of the explanation going further, because there are some key points that are important, like the structure, the shape, as well the flight controller, the most important one, as well the receivers and the controllers. Why would I want to build a drone? Okay, so building a drone is very interesting because of you learn about aerodynamics and the propellers pitch. Okay, so here I want to learn the basics of building a drone so that going forward I can build more flying systems, like a human flying drone, okay, farming drones, and many more. This is not just an idea that just popped in the mind. It's the idea that will shape the tomorrow's future. That is the whole aim about the projects that I'm building. So the flight controller actually uses STM32 processor, which is basically like a microcontroller that has been embedded system on the flight controller. It has gyro, dial, and then you can insert GPS, camera, and a sonar, a lidar. So it has so many features that you can use to do almost anything. Almost anything. It can fly autonomously without any human intervention whatsoever. You can embed AI on the system. So the system is versatile, and then mostly it's open source. Everyone can use the system from the internet. You can download things from the internet. Everything is open source. That's the fun part. That is the thing that makes the build very easy.